Insertion_sort. This function sorts an array using the insertion sort algorithm. The arguments are array, the array to be sorted, and it returns the sorted array. For I in range 1 till n array. This loop iterates over the array starting from the second element, as seen here with the 1. Key equals array I. This variable stores the current element being iterated over. J equals I minus 1. This variable stores the index of the element before the current element, while j greater than or equal to 0 and array j greater than key. This loop compares the current element to the element before it. If the current element is smaller than the element before it, then they are swapped. Array j plus 1 equal array j, j minus equal 1, array j plus 1 equal key. This line swaps the current element with the element before it if the current element is smaller than the element before it, and then the array is returned.